guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. I hope it's super helpful. This is the type of videos that I watched when I was first starting out. So hopefully I can be of some inspiration to somebody out there. I'm going to be telling you guys how to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving you guys some super easy advice, kind of just breaking it down by what you actually need to really start a YouTube channel, and kind of how to just be your best self on YouTube, because I know it's really easy to kind of get caught up in what other people are doing, watching other videos, and just wishing that that was you and wishing you could create that kind of content, and how easy it is to get discouraged and all that fun stuff. So we're literally gonna jump right in because there's no time for me to be messing around today, talking about nothing. I have talked to so many people who know that I have a YouTube channel, and I mean, so many times I hear people say, oh my god, like, I wish that I could have a YouTube channel. I would love to have a YouTube channel. I don't know where to start. I'm too nervous to start. I don't have a good camera. I don't know what to get. Literally don't know where to start, but you know that you want to do it. So the first piece of advice that I could give you, think about what type of channel you want to have. Are you going to be beauty? Are you going to be fashion? Are you going to be advice? Are you going to be fitness? Cooking? That is like step number one. You have to think about what type of channel you are actually going to be. When I first started my channel, if you look all the way back, I literally just have makeup stuff. I don't have anything else. And then I slowly start getting into fashion and getting into like cooking and stuff like that. I get into more kind of personal stuff where I talk about kind of just things that are going on in my life. So think about what kind of channel you want to be and think really hard about it. Like I said, when I first started my channel, I was really like makeup based. I would sit there forever and I would watch like Desi Perkins and Luster Lux and Crispy and Shayla. Like, those are my favorite people, and I would watch their videos and I would study them and I'd be like, okay, how can I be like them? How can I make my image look like this? How can I make my clarity look like this, my background, like everything? I would go to the fabric store because Desi posted that she uses fabric as her background. So I would go to the fabric store and go get all these rolls of fabric that I thought would be so great. Once you kind of start trying to be like somebody else, it's not going to be authentic to you, and it's not going to be your best quality content. And I know that sounds like, okay, Lexi, like everybody knows that, but we all do it. We all like look on Instagram and we're like, okay, how can we be like this person? Like, we find people that we admire and we look up to, and that's so great, and we should use them as inspiration, but we shouldn't try to be just like them, and we shouldn't stress ourselves out when our content doesn't turn out like theirs, because it's just not going to. Like, my videos don't look anything like Desi's videos did ever, because let's face it, she has been doing this forever. I was just starting out. Our cameras are different, our lighting's different, everything is different. We have different things, we're different people. At the end of the day, I was never really meant to be like a makeup channel. Like, I love makeup. It's one of my passions, one of many passions that I have, but it's not everything to me. And honestly, like, I'm not the type of person to create these crazy makeup looks. So it just wasn't really true to myself to try to come on here and stress myself out and be like, okay, I need to try to do a glitter cut crease smoky eye. That just was not authentic to me. So just really think about what you want to do. Advice number 2 that I can give you: do not let fear be the reason why you are not starting a channel. Like I said, so many people are like, oh my god, I wish I could start a channel, but like, I'm just scared, like, I'm nervous. What are you scared and nervous about? Are you scared and nervous that you're gonna fail? If you try hard enough at it, you will not fail. You literally have to give it your all. Whether this is like a side hustle that you want to start doing, or if it's something that you want to go full time into, you literally just have to give it your all. Treat it as if it's a job, if one day you want it to be your job. So don't let fear be the reason that you are not starting it. Of course, you're gonna have people who might say something negative to you. Okay, I do, and I share that a lot on my Instagram when I get negative comments, just because I just want to show you guys that, like, everybody gets negative comments, whether it's strangers on the internet or somebody that you know. I guarantee you half of my nasty comments are from people that I actually know that make fake accounts just to try to bring me down. People are shallow, people are miserable, people are jealous, insecure, all that stuff. So do not let fear or being scared of criticism or being scared of nasty comments or bullies or anything stop you from doing it. Don't let them stop you, okay? Literally, you are on this path to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Is a little rock on the road gonna stop your car from driving? No. So why would you let these nasty people stop you from reaching your goals? Like, it's just silly. Don't let it get to you. They're the miserable ones. They're the jealous ones. They're the ones who are sitting on the internet writing nasty stuff to you when you're actually doing something important with your life. You're gonna come up with your own little fan base, your own little community, your people who support you, and it's gonna be amazing. So you might as well give it a try, because you will regret never trying it. And you're gonna think about it. If you never try to do it, like, you're gonna think about what if. So just do it. It's not that big of a deal. So now that I have given you guys what I think is the best advice, let's talk about the things that you actually need to start a YouTube channel. So first things first, obviously you need to get a channel. So easy, it's free. You just sign up, come up with a cute username. Mine is just my name, which is totally fine too. Although I was a cute username at one point. I was Nude Lipped Lex. You know, I told you guys that, like, I was really trying hard to be like all makeup. So first thing you need is a channel and a name. Got it? Good. Next, obviously, you need a camera. Here is where, like, things are in our benefit for being in 2020, where, like, everything is just so advanced. I do have a camera. This is a camera I think I've always had. I did have a camera before this, but I don't think I recorded on it. No. So I will link this camera down below. I just personally like this camera because it flips, like the screen flips, so I can see myself right now, which is also sometimes a problem because I tend to look there rather than here sometimes. That was just really important to me because I record alone, like I don't have somebody behind the camera, so I just want to make sure that, like, I'm always in focus and everything is good. So I really just wanted a camera that I can see myself. Super important. Like I said, it's 2020. There are so many cameras that flip. Like, that's not even like a crazy cool feature anymore. So many cameras do it. If you do not have a camera and you do not have the money to buy a camera, use your phone. Oh my god. I remember when I was first starting, I would watch like videos on how to start a YouTube channel, and everybody's always like, use your phone, it's no big deal. But like, literally, use your phone. I would listen to that advice and I was like, nope, no, not using my phone. It's not gonna look like Desi Perkins videos. Like, I am not using my phone. If you have an iPhone especially, the camera quality is so good. If the lighting is right, your phone quality is gonna be just as good as the camera quality. Okay, like, we have lots of options here, people. If you are willing to splurge a little bit, definitely do your research on cameras. I do love this camera because, like I said, it flips. It just kind of does the job for me. The third thing, lighting. Let's talk about lighting. So I do have a ring light that I bought when I first started my channels. I got it off Amazon. I'm not even sure which one it is. I want to say it was like $79. And then I got 2 box lights to go on the sides. Both of the box lights ended up breaking. They broke so quick. Like, they broke only a couple months after having them. So got rid of those. Then I just switched to the ring light on its own. I wasn't really getting like the color that I wanted because the ring light is like it's a very bright white, bluish color. And my old apartment was like very yellow, so it was just like weird. So then I started using the ring light and natural lighting. And in my old apartment, the natural lighting was like so hard to find. Like, we were literally tucked in the back in the woods and there wasn't a lot of windows, and it was a dark apartment. So recently I did order this light, and I ordered the tripod to go on the bottom. I'll link both of them down below. This is the back of it. I don't even know if you guys can read it. It wasn't a lot. Like, it was under $40. I'm not sure how much they both were together. I don't remember. But nonetheless, cheaper than a ring light, cheaper than my ring light at least. And it's so good. Like, you turn it on, let's see, we'll do it on me. So you turn it on and then you press, so it's very wobbly though. I don't know what I did to it. So you press this button and then you can change, like, do you want it more blue? Do you want it more yellow, warm? Like, you can kind of change that. And if you press it again, you can adjust how bright or dim you want it. So I do also have that, which I love, 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 love. I love it because it's so small. The ring light is so big and you have to like set the stand up, and honestly, it just annoys me because like it's just annoying. I love this little thing because it's so easy and it kind of just fits everywhere. Like wherever you want to put it, it goes. You can adjust it. So like say today was like a really blue day outside, like I could put this behind it, put it more yellow, and it'll balance it out really nicely. If you do want to order a light, I would suggest getting this one. I love the ring light, but I love this so much more. It's just way easier because by the time I set everything up, like to set up the ring light annoys me so much. And this is just like, boop, done. And if you don't want to buy a light and you just kind of want to just get a camera and that's going to be your splurge, natural lighting. Oh my god. Like I said, my last apartment was really dark, but I could have made it work if I really wanted to. Find where it is the brightest in your place. Make sure your background is somewhat pleasing. We're going to talk about backgrounds next. You don't actually need a light, but if you are going to be using natural lighting, obviously you just have to plan like your timing around it. So like I can't sit here at 9 o'clock at night and record because it's going to be dark. Natural lighting honestly just looks better. It's going to make your videos feel a little bit more authentic. Background, that'll be the next thing I'm going to talk about. Make it aesthetically pleasing, and that's it. This is your background. This is not my ideal background, by the way. Like, that TV annoys me so much. I literally want to get rid of the TV in the bedroom. Like, we don't even watch it, so that's why I'm like even more like willing to get rid of it. Do a lifestyle background. Like, if that window over there was bright enough, I would love to sit here with this as my background. My desk, oh my god, my desk area is so cute. Like, look how cute she is. Like, I would love, just find a background that you can use behind your window if you are using natural lighting. And if you're not using natural lighting, then you can play around a little bit more with your backgrounds and get fun with it and get creative with it. And yeah, you know, it's all, this is about creating. So create your perfect background. This is what is just working for me right now. Okay, my living room is super cute too, but just not the brightest. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is where you edit your videos. So I edit mine on iMovie. It's just the free movie editing app that's on my MacBook. I've always thought about downloading other editors and like paying for good ones, but iMovie has done the job for me, so for now we're just gonna stick it out with them. And if you don't have a MacBook, I'm sure that on whatever type of computer you have, they have their own kind of editing system that you could download. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm assuming. I just use iMovie. It's free, it's easy, done and done. I feel like that's the best advice I can give you. Have fun with it. Don't be scared. Don't be nervous. Don't let anything stop you. If this is something that you really want to do, you can do it. So I hope this video was so helpful for you guys. I'm not going to talk anymore because that's really the key things that I can tell you. If there's something else that you want me to kind of elaborate more on or talk more about, let me know in the comments down below and I can make a video dedicated to that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Of course, if you did not like this video for some crazy reason, then whatever. Just remember to literally be your authentic self and don't let what anybody says get into your head, okay? They're just people behind the computer screen. They're not important. So just do it if this is something that you want to do, and just be true to yourself. That is the best advice I can give you guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.